1. 1965 Chevrolet C10, $4,400, Orangevale, California. This 1965 Chevrolet C10 is a solid classic pickup featuring a 327 V8 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. It comes with front disc brakes, power steering, and an aluminum bed plate. With only 40,000 miles on the odometer, it runs and drives well, making it a great candidate for restoration or a classic daily driver. The clean title and registered status add to its appeal as a budget-friendly classic truck. Two, 1986 Chevrolet C10 4x4, $5,900, Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. This 1986 Chevrolet C10 4x4 has been well maintained, featuring a replacement engine with 52,000 miles installed last year. It also has a new clutch, brakes, tires, and refreshed interior components, including door and window seals. The original paint has some surface rust, but overall, this truck is mechanically solid and ready for off-road adventures or farm use. Three, 1980 Chevrolet Silverado 4x4 short bed, crashed, $2,800, Wilmington, California. A rare opportunity for a project truck, this 1980 Chevrolet Silverado 4x4 short bed features a powerful 454 V8 engine and automatic transmission. However, it has suffered a crash, leaving the suspension damaged. It must be towed but could serve as a great donor truck for parts or a full rebuild. Four, 1989 Chevrolet Silverado 2500, $2,000, Nampa, Idaho. This 1989 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 is a 4x4 workhorse with an automatic transmission. It has 207,000 miles and features a new fuel pump, cap, and rotor. While it starts and runs, it needs some tuning. At this price point, it's a great project truck or a budget-friendly option for those needing a solid 4x4 pickup. Five, 1986 Ford F-150, $1,800, Garfield, Washington. Equipped with a 5.0-liter V8 engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission, this 1986 Ford F-150 4x4 is a reliable classic. It features new worn hubs, a blue-top steering gear, and a new battery. The truck runs and drives well, and with 80,000 miles on the odometer, it still has plenty of life left. The fairly new tires make it ready for off-road adventures or work duties. Six, 1987 Ford F-150 XLT Lariat, $5,500, Pleasant Hill, California. This well-maintained 1987 Ford F-150 XLT Lariat 4x4 has been owned by just 2 people since 1991. It features a 5.0-liter V8 engine and an automatic transmission. As a California truck its whole life, it has been consistently serviced and cared for. This truck is a great option for a classic Ford enthusiast looking for a well-preserved pickup. 7. 1985 Toyota 2WD Pickup Extra Cab, $1,995, Woodinville, Washington. For Toyota truck lovers, this 1985 Toyota 2WD Pickup Extra Cab is an exciting project opportunity. With 400,000 miles on the odometer, rolled over, it still runs and features extras like heavy-duty sway bars and a limited slip differential. Toyota's reputation for reliability makes this truck a great investment for someone looking to restore a classic Japanese pickup. Eight. 1988 Toyota Pickup, $3,500, Loomis, California. This 1988 Toyota Pickup features the legendary 22R carbureted engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. With 246,152 miles, it remains in good condition with a clean title. Known for their durability, these Toyota pickups are highly sought after, making this a fantastic deal for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a classic Japanese truck. 9. 1978 Dodge W150, $8,500, Damascus, Oregon. A rare find, this 1978 Dodge W150 short bed features a slant 6 engine, a 727 automatic transmission, and a full-time 4-wheel drive system with locking differentials. Recently refreshed with a new carburetor, fuel system components, master cylinder, and rebuilt brakes, it runs and drives great. Originally a military vehicle, it has been sealed with epoxy primer and repainted in white. With 35-inch tires and a rhino-lined bed, it's ready for off-road adventures. Ten. 1975 Dodge 1500 Power Wagon, $7,100, Boise, Idaho. This 1975 Dodge W150 Power Wagon is a classic 4x4 pickup featuring a freshly rebuilt 3.18 V8 engine with only 94,000 miles. It has the rare short bed configuration and is in excellent condition. The 4WD system is fully functional, making it an ideal truck for classic Dodge enthusiasts or off-road adventurers. 11. 1987 GMC Flatbed, $500, Wilton, California. This 1987 GMC Flatbed truck has been sitting unused for years and is in fair condition. While it requires significant work, it could be a great restoration project or used for parts. At just $500, it's a low-risk investment for someone looking for a classic GMC truck. 12. 1971 Chevrolet C10, $6,000, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 1971 Chevrolet C10 is a project truck featuring a 350 V8 engine and a manual transmission. It starts but needs carburetor work. Both rockers have rust and one fender is dented. However, the frame is in good condition and it has recently received new steering components, an exhaust system, front brakes, and a high-torque mini starter. It comes with both the original laminated title and a clean, clear title, making it a great candidate for a restoration project.